I do that first, and then I do then there we go. Should be good now. Let me see how that works. That's pretty good. Trying to get this, flip this. For some reason, screen ain't working here. Yeah. Oh, there you go. It's gonna be a rough one. Huh? See how. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Welcome, 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 welcome. Yeah, guys, I'm on live on YouTube as well. So watching Tesla over this 192. 192. And FRC over this 1750 looks good. FRC. FRC. Doing it right now as we speak. KRTPX just came back. Look at VWAP on KRTX. 167.86. A beautiful come up off the bottom there. That looks good through the VWAP. FRMC looks good. Can you guys hear me on the Discord still? What about TikTok? Can you hear me on TikTok? You would have to drop TikTok. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? Yeah, we here. We in the building. Welcome, welcome to another amazing day. Day number 54 of 251 trading days of 2023. You see it. KRTX, watch it at the VWAP here, 167.40. I'm going to come out of this stock here. I'm going to sell out. I'm going to come out. That was a great trade. Partial here. Partial on this stock here. Take out some. It looks good. Watch the VWAP right here, 167. My stop loss on this stock is at 171.91. Okay. Let's move it. Let's move it to 169.50. Let's move it to 169.50 and secure some more of that on the partial. 169.50. We'll do that. All right. How we doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I thought I saw something flash across the screen. No, I'm not licensing securities. No. No, I'm not licensed. I'm just strictly a retail trader. That's it. Thank you, help us for the like. I use RSI, VWAP, Supertrend, SR, SARs sometimes. Oof. MACD, very seldom. Once in a while. Tesla looking good. 193 now on Tesla. You still in Tesla, Mark? Rich? Nice. Look at that break on KRTX. Look at that break through the VWAP on KRTX. I'll be stopped out the partial on that, and we could take a look to go long. See if it bounces off that 170.60 and we'll be good. FRC is doing real good. FRC is looking real good. 1723 on FRC. FRC. We need 18. We need FRC to bounce over 18. Oof. Babe. Yeah, we need FRC over 18. We got rejected at the 1779 on it, FRC. Wow, look at EMPH, Rich. Woo, 206. 206 on the partial, man. Look at that. Wow. 4 points? We got 4 points out of that? That's what I'm talking about. They're still running. And we were watching that ALT, right? Through that VWAP too as well. That 1530. Oh my goodness. welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Andre, what's up? It's another green day. Thank you, Rich. Green all the way. Yes, sir. Green is our only goal, man. We don't look for red trades. We look for green trades. Welcome, welcome. Hit the like button for me, ladies and gentlemen, on the TikTok there. Woo! If you want to see a full chart, go to YouTube. YouTube, the Zen Trader 2.0 with Steve Reed, and subscribe. Okay? You could see the full chart on that channel. Hold on a minute, guys. Woo. Hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Oh, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. What did I see when I went into the future? Let's see here. I didn't see anything else. This ALT needs to break through this VWAP here. That's what it needs to do. EMPH 207, yeah. Excuse me. I had a gas bubble here. You know how those things are, those gas bubbles. Woodman. On which one? BAC. BAC. What's going on with Bank of America? BAC. I'm waiting for FRC to go over 18. Bank of America, I needed to break over 29 on Bank of America. I like it over 29 and short under 28.70. That's where I like Bank of America if it's going to go short. On the VWAP, short and then over 29, long over 29. That's where I like it. FRC down. I'm not short in FRC. I'm only long in FRC. My next target is over 18. And 16 would be my stop loss on FRC. And secure that almost 80 cents on FRC. If it pulls back, 16 would be my stop loss. If you want to see the full chart, ladies and gentlemen, head over to YouTube. The Zen Trader 2.0 with Steve Reed. You'll get the full chart. We can't get the full chart right now on TikTok. All right, but if you want to see full chart, you could pull me up on. Subscribe to the channel. Andre, what you see? Bank of America. That's what I see with Bank of America over 29. I like it over that. And also jump in the free Discord as well. Got some things coming for you guys. Just hold on. Be patient. Everything takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day, right? We're building this thing brick by brick, right? Finally, I could go live on TikTok after 8 months. It's a beautiful thing. If you see anything, go ahead, just say it so I could look at it. Thanks. I had to get some tea. Come on, FRC, let's go. Keep eye on EMPH, please. EMPH, still rocking. 207.26 are high. 204. Let's put 204 as our last stop loss for EMPH. Okay. 204, and as it goes up, we move our stop loss up. Okay. So EMPH, we'll also clear 2 points on that on the way back down. Okay. Stock pick of the day is FRC NVDA. As you can see, NVDA, I've been holding NVDA for quite some time now. 241. We went as far as 263 on NVDA. Okay. We took EMPH over 202. We took Tesla over 192, but I got in at 191. Watch FRC. FRC ready to pull back now, so let's watch that. FRC, get ready to come out of FRC. Okay. FRC 16. FRC is getting ready. If you see anything, go ahead, post it on the YouTube channel so we could look at it, okay? It's halted, yeah. Yeah, it's halted to the downside. We got 3.5 minutes to see what happened after it halted. EMPH back at 207, looking good. Amazon at 98.80, guys. 98. Watch Amazon. HZN. $98.80. Amazon pullback. I like it under this 98.50 to go short on Amazon. Would love to see break over 99. So keep an eye on that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I might have to shut down TikTok. It says something about viewers. Can you hear? Can you guys hear me on TikTok? Oh yes, you could hear me? Okay, good, 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 good. Amazon. What's the next break on Amazon over 99, guys? And watch it. FRC halted to the downside. Okay, so that's what we're watching. ALT just going sideways. Failed to go higher through that VWAP, but we're gonna keep it. Stop loss at the low. 479 on ALT. Okay. EXPI. I just got that. EXPI. 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 Tesla's still looking good. EXPI. Reach or 12. I just don't like the chart. A little gap up here at 1190. Like a 5 cents gap. Anything over 12 on EXPI. Anything over 12 is good, but it's over the highs of the day. Yep, 1250 needs to break over 1250. There's some resistance at 1250. $12.50 needs to get over $12.50. This EXPI. Okay, so if you like that stock, just look for that level over that $12.50. Just waiting for FRC to unhold it. My stop loss is at 16. Tesla partial still going good. FRC halted. A stock that I'm keeping an eye on is this CX stock. Okay, let's get out of FRC. FRC, I'm finished with that. Done with that stock. Done with it. That's it. That was a great trade on FRC. So remember, I'm keeping an eye on FRC. I'm done with the trade. Great trade this morning. CS. I'm looking at that stock. Got it at 91. Hopefully we could get it to go higher. Big gap to fill there. See, that's just going sideways. There's some resistance up here at 96, so anything over 96 looks good. Look at FRC, came down and touch and then bounce off VWAP. I'm done with it for now on FRC. See anything, go ahead and post it. If you want to see full chart, just go to YouTube, guys. Pretty much. Get on NLST, NSLT. Let's look at that. NLST. I don't think I could trade that. It's up 3%. I don't like the chart though. Not much volume in that SL. And it's after break over $4. It's in a range right now. There's a gap up on it at 364 and then went higher. There's a gap fill if it decides to break back down. And LST. Come on. This gap filled back to the downside on this stock here. Gotta fill this gap here. Ain't no movement in it, it's slow. Okay, that's what I see in that. EMPH, what's going on in EMPH? A little pullback there. Could take a partial off on EMPH. Let's go and do that. Why not? Let the rest ride back towards stop loss. Tesla. Tesla's still looking good. Want to push higher on Tesla. FRC. Trying to make another run on FRC. We got capital. We got capital. ALT rejected VWAP. It's down almost 53% on ALT. Came back nicely off the bottom, but don't want to break through the VWAP. We got some resistance on FRC at 17. Using VWAP as support. And I have some resistance at 17 on FRC. Just be careful with that. If you see anything, go ahead and post it. It's part of the banking system, right? CS? CS is a Credit Suisse group company. Hold on here. If you'd like to see the full chart, go to YouTube and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. You could see the full chart on YouTube. Okay? Don't forget to hit the like button over on YouTube. Leave a comment. If you see something, put it in the comment section. CS got beat up. Look at CS. I'm looking to grab it off the bottom, that's all. Look at CS on the daily. CS got beat up. I'm looking to get it off the bottom. See what the yearly look on CS. $62. And CS dropped when this banking system started. All the banks started getting beat up. CS dropped. Before that, it was in an uptrend. Not big, but small. So, I know it's at the bottom here. Got a gap fill to fill on that. On the way up. Anything over $1, man. I'm looking for it on CS. That's my target. Anything over $1 on CS. Okay? I'm waiting. I'm waiting for it to run though. You just gotta be patient with the market. If you'd like to see a full chart, go ahead. Mark, I think because we're live on Discord, we can't go live the chat on TikTok. Yeah. Got about another 20 minutes. FRC pulling back down to 1640. If you see anything, go ahead. Post it, ladies and gentlemen, so we could look at it. Oh man, ALT refused to go higher, so. Five. Slow, no volume, slow. So we took it short, got out. Won't get through it. Okay. Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you see anything, go ahead and post it. Drinking tea. There you go, FRC. Through 16. If you shorten, FRC, there you go. Right through the VWAP, 1640. That was a great out, right? Great out on FRC. Perfect. That's perfect timing. Right? FRC, let's look at it. FRC. Look at FRC. Broke to the 1640, right? Boom. Okay. So was I right on taking my partial out and then come out? Look at it. Great stuff. It's all over the place now. Next break is 16. I think we have some kind of blockage on TikTok with the Discord. Yeah, I might have to get it on my other platform here. I know. I've been banned from TikTok in quite some time, man, over 8 months now. So I'm here. I'm trying to come on little by little, taking it easy. KRTX is still doing good. KRTX to the VWAP. Oh man, it's trying to come up. Next break over KRTX. 169.50. 169.50, I'll be out. And then we watch it at 170. 169.50, I'll be out, and then 170 if this stock try to recover. Okay? KRTX. It's tight. It's tight. It's right there. 950. It's right there. It's so tight. 169.50. There you go. Finish with that trade. And watch it at 170. Oh, sorry. Allergies. All right. So we have some movement in KRTX. KRTX. All right. Done with KRTX. Okay, 170. KRTX. KRTX. Done with that. Sorry. If you see anything, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and post it on the comment section on YouTube so I could see it. No, I don't day trade options at all. I could if I want to, but it don't make sense for me to do options. Viewers can't hear. $171.50. 171.50. Let's get it. Let me get some more room here to breathe here. CHRW, CHRW, CHRW. Let's look at that. CHRW. CHRW broke under 96.70. Spread is 10 cents. Volume is low on it though. CHRW. $96.50 short. I like it on the $96.50 short and get it back over $97.15. All right. Come on over and join the Discord. I can't see that. Creed, CRED. I can't see it. It's blocked by something on the screen, so. Okay. So ALT is not going. It's done. 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 I'm done. And we could short it on the $5 if we like. On the 5 on ALT, down 53%. That's done. That's done. That is done. Watch it on the $5. So failed to move higher, failed to move through the VWAP, got rejected by the VWAP, and now heading back down. FRC still sitting at that 16 at the VWAP, finding support. The low is 479. Going sideways with no volume. FRC. FRC is just in scalping range right now. Scalp one candle. That's it. One candle at a time from the bottom to the top. That's the only movement FRC is giving you. Ain't no volume in the market. LL Pencil. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Good job. That's what we're here for. Each one teach one. FRC. Watch FRC at 17 again, guys. PXMD. Wow. PXMD. PXMD. Look at this stock, PXMD. PXMD. There you go. 240. Wow. It's getting beat up. PXMD. Keep eye on PXMD. That's how much I've traded it. I got so much alerted. Breaking down PXMD. There you go, bro. There you go. That's it. It's gone. It's gone. As we speak, it's gone. PXMD gone. There you go. I'll be looking for a reversal on this stock here. If we get it today, maybe tomorrow. Yes, FRC got across 18. Absolutely. That was my target this morning. I got 1779. I'm not going to ask for anything more than that right now. The next break for FRC over 18, I'll take it straight to 18 if it comes back up. Right now, let it do what it do. TMBR. I just don't like these charts here, man. Where do you get in? Over 250. I'll take it over 250. You just gotta show me that it wants to go higher. You would have to show me that it wants to go higher with some good formation of candle. Right now, I don't like the stock out of the way trading right now. For me to take this stock, you gotta show me 250. And right now, it's not showing me anything. It's up 2%, spread is 9 cents. But I don't have nothing to work with. Where is it? Yeah, that's a 5-minute time frame. Look at the 1-minute time frame. Where do you get in? I want to see a clear entry. Look at the 10-minute, the same as the 5 minutes. So I don't see anything. Nothing. 250 is where I would have to see it get over. Four-hour. Yeah. We'd have to clearly break over that 250 for anything. It wouldn't worth trading it right now unless you want to wait on it. There's better stocks in the market than that right now. Yes, I gotta see candlestick patterns. Yeah, but I don't see anything. It could, from here, it could pop up. But where do I'm not going to do a limit order on a stock like this with normal. I'd rather go to EMPH where I could definitely see that happening. I could set up a trade on EMPH for a reversal, say a reversal on the 206.70. I could set up. I can't set up a trade on that like that. And look at the volume bars in EMPH. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't trade TNVR. If you want to see me trade full chart, go to YouTube. The Zen Trader 2.0 with Steve Reed. You see the clear chart. You could see a clear chart. Right now you can't see the full entire chart on TikTok, but somewhat. MDGL. Let's go to MDGL. I just got an alert on that. MDGL. MDGL. Breaking to the low on MDGL. Boom. Nice break. Down 5%. $246, I like it. Long $246 on a reversal. Right now, these stocks are getting beat up. The pharmaceutical stocks. $247. Let's watch it at 245. Because I want to alert on this early. Okay. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome. Happy Tuesday. Taco Tuesday, right? Second day of spring. Don't feel like it. 65 degrees outside right now. Little pencil, you're good, man. You're good. I appreciate that. Keep doing it. Keep it up. You will get there. I promise you. 18 minutes a day for a whole year, you'll see where you're at after a year. mRNA. I didn't get this overnight, guys. It's been building brick by brick. On the 153 on mRNA. 153. We'd have to break down on the 153 on mRNA to go lower. Yeah, I'm gonna have to log off and then log back on and here comes FRC 17. FRC 17. That's 17 again on FRC. Going sideways now. We find a channel VWAP and 18 on FRC. We have a trading channel now for FRC. There we go. 1640 and 18. Let's move this up here. I mean, you could get it from the bottom and up, and then from top to bottom, just like that in that trading channel right now. But it don't work me trading FRC right now. The two things I want to see it do: break through the VWAP or break over this 18. Or you could build a small position. Say we build a small position. Say we build a small position on the FRC right now, right? See, I was gonna take this trade, right? I'm gonna build it for demonstration purpose only. Remember, do your own research. This is gonna be my stop loss on the FRC, 1658. Okay? Or I could go to VWAP. Let me make VWAP as my stop loss. Okay? I could use this support here, because that would be the best. If I want more, give it more room, I give it right through the VWAP here or to VWAP. Or this candle here. The bottom intel right here. So that is my stop loss. Okay. I'm looking for FRC. The next area I would add to FRC with momentum is 1750, right? This is what I would do. 1750. Now, if it doesn't work, then I have my stop loss in place, and that would be a losing trade, right? So as it builds momentum, I would be adding to this trade to the upside towards 18. Okay? But if it doesn't, here I go. My stop loss is right here. Some people could put it right here, which we can. But I want to put it right here. Right below this candle here is the bottom intel. Push come to shove, it comes down to VWAP, bounce one more time and go up, okay? So we're looking for this trade to go higher, right? FRC. Just for demonstration purpose only, okay? And I'm only using 1,000 shares, all right? How about CANB, 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 CANB. No, it's up 37%. But look at the chart. Where do you get in? I just don't have anywhere. I need places where I could plot an entry and an exit strategy and a target. There's nothing here. 15 minute, 30 minute, there's nothing here. 1 hour, nothing here. I just wouldn't. At this point, I'm guessing. Hoping that this stock will run up. And I'm not in the guessing game. I want to make sure that I have an entry and a target, a stop loss. On this stock, I really have nowhere to put it. You know, where would you put a stop loss? Where would you put your entry? Where would you put your target? Or say you're going to buy now and hoping that it's on a trend to the upside and no, I don't want to do that. It's up 37%, almost 38%, but look at the way it trades. FRPT. FRPT. So I wouldn't trade that stuff. It doesn't fit in my strategy. FRPT. At least this is a little bit better than that stock, even though it's all over the place. But still know that, look, you got 2 candles here in a row. You could say it could go over the highs, but still I need more. It's at the high of the day, up 5%. Is it gonna break over the highs? We don't know. But we could look on the daily and see, hey, we got a resistance at 63.60. So if it's gonna break over that, yeah, we have an opportunity to get it. Yeah. Snap is at 11.30. Great trade on Snap today. Over 1080. So this is a better setup on FRT. Look, it's coming up from the bottom. Next resistance is up here, right? $63.70, $63.80, that area there. So we know that. I would set up a play on that. But you need momentum and you need volume to push that stock up. Yes, I had this. Look where I got NVDA. This was a play I play on NVDA. Let me see which day. Let me go back here and see. NVDA, maybe 316. Yeah, 316. I played it on 316. There you go. 316 NVIDIA 241. I got it off the bottom at 241 on NVIDIA. There it is right there. 241 off the bottom on NVIDIA on 316. Yeah, FRT will fall. Yeah, I don't doubt it. Okay, FRC is at FRC. Here we go. Okay, FRC. Look at that play, right? Look at that play on FRC. Now we needed to get over 1750, right? And I'm just demonstrating this play here, okay? We're gonna add another 500 shares at 1750, okay? Which one? Wall? Okay. Wall already break the 34. 34 was the entry on wall. It's too late now. I'm not gonna chase it. 34 was the one that we set up earlier. So if you were in the channel, you would hear me speak about wall at 34 breakout. Okay. A 5-minute time frame. I'm always in a 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I'm gonna start going live. I'll go live on YouTube. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. RADERT Trader. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Because on TikTok you don't really get the full effect of the chart, but on YouTube you do. So FRC, I'm just demonstrating FRC with a small shear size. Normally I would go in 4. So now I could move my stop loss on FRC to 1657, and that would lessen the blow to the downside, right? Okay, let's put it right there, okay? So as it goes up, I move my stop loss, right? And say, look at this. I'm going to show you something. Sorry. Let's see if we get some momentum, push it up. Okay. If you like what I'm doing, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You get a full effect of the chart. So Andre Wall was perfect. Perfect over 34. FRC, nothing right now. EMPH 208, beautiful. Having struggle up here at 209 on EMPH. Tesla just slowly, 195. Needs to break 195 to go higher. Look at CS. All right, look at that. Here comes it. 98. We broke 98. Beautiful. You're gonna have to wait on this stock here to go higher. Okay, we broke 98. Snap, 11:30 now, snap. All right. Yeah. Oh, shit. I didn't know to sit that. No, I could warm it up a little bit. Nothing in the market right now. Some are today and some are swings. Call. Today trades already happened. KRTX, we just got out of. FRC, we took that. Tesla, we took that. The stock pick of the days were FRC, NVDA, Tesla, ALT. We took all profits from that. On a journey of 251 green trade days of 2023. Okay. We could look at LCDI, LCID. Lucid. I like the setup on Lucid better than Tesla. I like the interior on Lucid cars. The next break for Lucid is over this $8.30. over the top. I don't trust nothing over the highs right now in this kind of market. I just don't, but that's where I would take it though. Or mRNA, back to where we talk about. This would be a scalp over this 830 here. And then a short through the VWAP here. That's how I would treat this stock here. 815. Lucid, I would scalp it over this 830 over the high. We need some volume though. It's look like the volume is picking up, but slowly. FRC pullback. So let's see where FRC is. Okay, this is my stop loss on FRC. Okay. So with that 1,000 shares, you could have took out 500 shares, pay yourself first with, but this is my risk tolerance, right? My loss tolerance, right? I'm giving it to 1655, okay? So this was demonstration purpose only. If I was going to take this stock, if it continued to run, I secure my loss. I know where my target is. I know where my 3/4 was going to add more, right? And then over the target, then it keep running. Then I'll add the rest of to equal out my 4,000 shares. So as it goes up, I'll add. And you could do the same thing as it go down, right? But you got to do it in profit. So now I wouldn't add to FRC at all. I would wait for it to come down to my stop loss, or you don't want it to come down to your stop loss, you could get out, but you don't know. You don't know what it would do right here. Just spike down and pull back and run. So that's why you have your stop loss in place. And you honor your stop loss, win or lose. Okay. In trading, you got to be patient, man. Let the stock develop. Remember, we're trading against each other and institution and Wall Street and banks and corporate companies. Everything we got to do. Just let the stock. There's nothing going in the stock. I would say grab yourself lunch. Come back at 2 o'clock. You know, that's what I would do. Look at this trading channel for FRC. Now we picked 1640 and 18. Ain't nothing happening. Sideways over the VWAP. This is FRC. KHATHC. Ain't nothing happening. Sideways on FRC. Anything on the 1640 short. And you could go long over 1750. Depends on how many points you're looking for. You're looking for 50 cents. It's barely giving us that at the moment. So I wouldn't touch FRC. Not right now, if you wasn't already in it. That's just my thoughts, okay? Do your own research. Thank you for hitting the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Share the live as well. I appreciate that if you could share the live. Thank you. Help us save the kids. Love it. Thank you for the likes. Appreciate that. If you like what I'm doing, drop a shade. Drop a shade, man. Drop a TikTok shade. If you like what I'm doing here, guys, appreciate that. I'm gonna try to come more often on TikTok though, and do the live so you guys could get the full effect on YouTube. Whoever don't have my YouTube will be able to get over on that. Okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend. Join our free Discord. And we're working on some things, man. For the better though. For people who really want to trade though. This is not a game though. It's not a game. This is a business. You gotta treat it like a business. WBD. It's not a get quick type of scheme here. You know what I mean? No, I can't do nothing with that. I can't trade that. That NVDA came down to 255. We had 27 on FRC. That's up there. It's going to take a while to get up there. Not right now. Yesterday at 12:30 or 12:25 was a good old swing for FRC. Today you would be in the money big time. But I got out before the market closed. I had a great entry on it. PD. Let's look at PD. See PD. PD over 33. PD over 33, I like it. It's over the high though. I really like to trade over the high, but with some volume coming in, definitely over 33. The spread is 5 cents too, so I like it over that. That's where I would take it with volume over 33. Over the top there on PD. $32.50. $32.50 short. That's how I would do. Let's see what the day we look at. 15 minutes. Yeah, we'd have to get over that 33. Yeah, got some resistance up there. That's where I would take it. 33. Target with 50 cents to $1 with momentum. Yep. Looking for 50 cents. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance up there. Yeah, 34. 34.80. Yeah. 34.80. We'd have to break over this side here. Could get $1 out of it, but I don't like to trade at the high. If I was gonna do something like this, it would be a small share size. Okay. Wall. You could look at wall now. Wall and FRC is moving together, or you could watch one and trade the other, vice versa. There you go. Look at wall. Target 36. Woof. 53 cents shy of that target. Next one. 36. 36. Ooh. All right. So what you would think I would short now? 34. 34.30 would be my short on wall. 34.30. All right. That's it. Your target is 36 and your short is going to be 34. FRC doing its thing. So let's go to FRC. Okay. So I'm saying I needed to get over this 1750. I had another 500 shares, right? And then my target, I had another 500 shares. And with momentum, boom, I'll take it higher. But for right now, I'm cool. I'm cool with it. Ain't nothing happening. It's in a trading channel. So worst case scenario, hit our trading channel at the top at 1750, bounce right back down. Okay? We have our stop loss here. And we're honoring our stop loss. Okay? I don't see much going on in the market, really. Tesla. Look at Tesla, how Tesla came out this morning. Mark. Beautiful. Beautiful on Tesla. Great. Look at that. The break at 89. Beautiful. Now we got resistance up at 95 on Tesla. So good stuff. BMPH 207.24. Rejected up here at 209. 204. Remove my stop loss to 205.20 now. Secure another point. See how I'm doing this, ladies and gentlemen? 205.20. I'm not forcing the market. I'm not doing anything. The stock is doing what it's doing, and I'm moving my stop loss up, securing my caution. Okay. We already took 300 shares off, and look what 200 shares is going. Okay, easy does it. $93.30. 93.30. Let's do 93 for Tesla stock loss, okay? And we good. Tesla need to break over that 95, right? So easy does it. FRC. FRC, right? So let's show you how I work this now. Okay. 2 cents to go, a penny to go. Say I'm not gonna add to this trade, right? It already hit my target. Say for instance, this is what I'm gonna do. Say it's gonna hit my target right now, right? I'll take 800 off. Boom. Hold on. 800 off. Because I hit my target, right? Hit my target. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. 1750. I take 3/4 of the trade out. Okay? Where's my entry? 17? 17, right? Move my stop loss up to 17. Right? I'm in the money. Boom. Okay? FRC could do whatever it wants to do now, right? I took 3/4 of the trade out. I'm in. I'm good for the day. That's my solid trade. Now, my target is 18, right? So if it pulls back down and knock me out at 17, or if I want, I still could give it a stop loss a little bit lower than that. I could give it right here. 1683 or 1680 and give it a 30-cent stop loss, right? But if I don't want to lose any money off this trade, I put my entry, my stop loss back at my entry. I already took 3/4 of the trade off, right? And I'll be even. And that's how I trade, ladies and gentlemen. Today make day number 54 straight green days, ladies and gentlemen, if you've been following me. So if you want to see what I do, subscribe to the channel, the YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. You are in the channel. Okay. Watch me go to work with this 251 trading days of 2023. I put in work. When the market closes, I still put in work, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I'm behind the scene. This is the longest I've been working. I've worked a little bit longer than this, but my goal is to work 18 hours a week. And we could do it. NKE, Nike. What's going on with Nike? Nothing in Nike. Nike have a trading channel right now. This is a trading channel for Nike. Nothing going on in Nike. 2320. That's a trading channel for Nike. Ain't nothing going on. Nothing exciting. Exciting and you come aboard. I'm not a singer. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. No, baby, you're gonna knock that thing out. You're gonna move it like that. You're gonna move it on top of it. If you shake it, it's gonna. If you shake this, it's gonna move my arm. subscribe to that. So nothing going on in Nike. Beautiful. Let's see what exactly you don't want to buy high and sell high. Absolutely. Well, to scalp in a channel, you need volume. I like volume in a channel. The candlestick's got to be bigger. I don't like these little candlestick here in a channel. But see, if you was watching Nike, you could have developed this. Got it from here, off the bottom of the channel to the VWAP, and took 3/4 of your trade through the VWAP. And then move your stop loss up underneath the bottom here on the next candle that break through the VWAP here. And move your stop loss, and that's it. Let the rest ride to the top. And if it comes back up here and reverse again, you do the same thing like it did here at 9:55 this morning. Came back down. You're done. Broke. Came back up from the bottom through your channel, straight through the VWAP, all the way to the top, top from bottom, right back down. And you do it just like that until it decides it's going to go one way or the other. Up and above, or down and below. Timber, here she comes. It all depends on your risk tolerance if you want to stay in a stock if it hit the highs of the day. NCLH. We could look at that. NCLH. Norwegian cruise. All the cruise line is going to be booming this summer. Yeah, nothing going on that. Still in a trading channel as well. 1275 and the high is 13. So that is moving like in a channel of 25 cents. I wouldn't waste my time on that unless you want to buy low and sell high. I'm going to exit when there's no volume or momentum in the stock. I'm going to look for my stop loss and get out in profit. I'm not going to sit around like today. Look at right now. We've been sitting here for the last maybe hour or so. Give and take, right? Over an hour and a half. And the market is going sideways. So what I would do, I would have got up, got lunch, and come back at 3 o'clock for the power hour. Or come back at 2. That's what I would have done. Thank you guys for joining. Look at TikTok, they're saying you go live for 90 minutes. Don't forget to take a break. See what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. Don't forget to take a break. That's what they say. mRNA. All right. But go back to your FRC before we go to mRNA. But you see what I was saying about FRC? Now, what if I didn't take that 3/4 into the strength of the stock, right? Look, the next possibility would have come back down to my entry and break down, and that would be a losing trade. The idea is to take profit, pay yourself first, okay? The only way that would be a losing trade is unless I go into the stock and the trade just turned right after that. But I had a setup, I had a plan, I had a stop loss, I had a target, and I had an entry, okay? And we took advantage of that, okay? All we need now is for FRC to break over this 18. And you know what, 18, I could even go back with my 3/4 of shares that I took out, or maybe half, right? It would bring my entry up a little bit, but I'll be still green in that stock with more share size, okay? So FRC, riding the entry at 17, right? That's my stop loss. If it breaks that, then I'm out, not losing at all, okay? So that was a little demonstration. Normally I trade with 4,000 shares, okay? That's my max on some of these stocks. Now, CS, you see me got 10,000 shares, but look at it. It's not really hurting me in any kind of way unless this stock dropped dramatically. Now, I could work my way up as this stock built 10,000 at a time till I get to 100,000 shares, which would be a significant amount of shares, but the payoff would be great. Okay, or even 50, or even 40. Okay, it all depends on your risk tolerance, right? And look, it's under $1, so you could buy more. You could accumulate more quantities like that. You're welcome. You're welcome. Tobias. Yeah, absolutely. It all depends, man. We need volume in this market for it to run. You're talking about 300? 300 or 300K? Depends. What I've heard, 300 people use 300 to go into to options. If you know what you're doing with options, you could turn 300 into 9,000, 10,000. It all depends on what stock you go into with $300. If I'm reading that right. $300 in what I do here, you would have to buy low and sell high. And it depends on what kind of stock, how much per share. Say if I wanted to come into the market with and knowing the stock. I'm just thinking out loud, okay? You have to do your own research. Say for CS, right? I got $300, okay? You got to do your own research. It's under $1, okay? And knowing that this stock is not going to fall any lower than where it's at, okay? 300, I would take 200 of that and invest it in a stock like this. If I came in the market with $300, you know, and again, you have to do your own research. It's under $1. And just knowing that when you're coming in the market, you're coming in the market knowing that I may lose this $300. So the $300 is for you to learn or for you to experience the trading platform or whatever stock, to get your feet wet. You got to come into the market with a sum of money knowing that I'm coming in with the market is money that I don't need to pay a bill, pay your rent, pay your car note, pay your credit card, pay your phone, whatever you want the bill is for. Just know that you're not going to come in the market. That's something you need to use it for and expect to make hundreds of $1,000s off that, and then you're out and blase blase. Okay? It's not going to work like that. I don't like to trade penny stocks, really. I'm just taking advantage of this stock, CS. Very seldom you see me trade a stock under $1. This is just for training purposes, reason for me, not anything else. But just to answer your question, with $300, that was something I would do. As you see, I got 10,000 shares here, and it's over 10 grand, close to 10 grand. Okay, so with Tesla, Tesla with $300, you get what? 2 shares? Is 2 shares enough for you? You know what I mean? So you just gotta pick, do your research. There you go, Tesla on 95. There we go, we're winning, baby. We're winning. Boom, took a minute, but we're winning. All right, we're winning. We're winning on Tesla. Beautiful. See what I was saying, Mark? If you were to hold that position there on that call option, boom. You just got to sit and wait, man. And that would have been an easy day. Easy peasy. But, yeah. But options are very different than stocks. So, you know, it's all about your weight tolerance and, you know, being patient. This is a patient game here. mRNA, like we said, we was going to look at mRNA. You told me one more time. Hello, come over here. That's how these stocks talk to me. They treat me like a stepchild. On the 153, there you go. Below 153 on mRNA. There we go. Okay? That's the break. Making a double top on mRNA. Man. Short. Look at that tight trading channel on the mRNA. That is so tight. Does it make a double top? Breakdown. You see me put it there. I didn't just put 53, right? We talked about mRNA earlier. There it is. We're there. We're there. I mean, you gotta research and find, you know, like I said, I don't really trade penny stocks, so stocks that are under $5 or so. You know, that's what. Yeah, I'm gonna, that's what I would do, okay? I'm gonna shut down TikTok so I could hear you guys better on voice, Discord. So, come back. Follow me on TikTok, as you could see. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. at Steve Reed 01 on TikTok. Okay. 5370 on mRNA, and your target would be VWAP, and stop loss is the low. Okay. 53. If I'm going to trade mRNA on a reversal, that's where I would take it. So if you do 5370, target is VWAP. Anything above here, we golden. Ow. Okay. EMPH. Alright, let's see what EMPH. Still good. EMPH still good. Tesla still good. 95.85. And we're running with our partial, ladies and gentlemen, and that's what we're doing. We took our 3/4 of our trade out. Okay. Look at FRC, still there. Trying to find support at 17. There you go, 1750. Look at that. Rinse and repeat one more time. 1750, boom. 3/4 out. Let the rest ride. Okay. Here we go on CS. Just to give you a little heads up. Look, broke on 97. Look, that was easy. Right? Just gotta be patient with the trade, so don't forget to do your own research, man. I'm not a financial advisor, but you know, I should share my picks and my trade. If you'd like to follow me, check out my YouTube as well. Okay. See you guys next time we log on. Set your alert so when I go live, you could get that alert on TikTok as well. Okay. I gotta be quick. Wall. Watch wall. PACW. GS. Let's look at GS real quick. CS, GS. I'm getting all kind of alerts right now. Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs. We got a resistance over Goldman Sachs at 320. Okay. I gotta take some of my stuff out on Goldman Sachs. When you see I don't have enough alerts in there, you know I've been trading the stock for quite some time. Goldman Sachs through VWAP. Okay, I know. I got it. Alright. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Alright? FRC. We're going to see that 18. Watch me do it. Alright? Hold on there. I'm coming on. Alright. Let's see here. Can you hear me now? Alright, let's do this. FRC is beautiful, man.
Okay, entry point here or no?
Yeah, the entry point was 1750. The next one is over 18. It got to get over 18 on FRC.
5-minute candle closed over 18?
Yeah. You could build a position. I was building a position for demonstration purpose only. Coin.
What's coin? You know, it seems to be at the top.
Coin was good this morning. Coin was good.
Yeah. Is that the high of the day, white chase? Right? Is that kind of your take?
See. Yeah, 82. Yeah, it's late now. It's late on coin now. I wouldn't take it at high.
Going down for the overall market.
Yeah.
Don't chase it.
I wouldn't. I don't like to chase over the highs.
I don't either.
NVDA was that 58 off the bottom there on 54. Yeah. Now, take it through the VWAP, right back up to that trading channel where we say 260, right?
Yeah, it's right over 259 now again.
Yeah.
So
I would look for a VWAP chain trade and 260, and then your target would look like 261. But that's how I would trade NVDA.
Buy at 260?
No, my trade is I like trading through the VWAP where it's at right now. And my stop loss would be right underneath this candle here, 257.70. That's how I would trade NVIDIA.
Do you buy it right now?
Yeah, it's coming through the VWAP. That's what I would have done through the VWAP. And my stop loss would be right here at 257.
Yeah.
And my target would be 261. That's how I would handle that trade, win or lose.
Yep. Got it. Wow, FRC, amazing.
Yeah.
Happy for you guys.
Yeah, that was a good trade.
I'd like to, yeah. Who knows? I mean, geez, up 44% today. Holy crap.
Mm-hmm. We need some momentum to bring NVIDIA to that VWAP.
Yeah. Yeah, the mine's just tapering.
Yeah. Well, we got 2 green candles here. We need a third one to be bigger than this, the 5-minute one, to take it over that.
3 candles, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need 3 good candles.
Yeah.
If it rejects off of this, maybe that's a...
No, it's in our upward momentum right now. We just need we need volume to bring it up. The next candle got to be bigger than the previous candle.
Hey, Steve, are you going to get that wall?
In what? In wall? Let me see wall.
ALP.
Oh, yeah. I've been waiting on that. Let me see. ALT. I mean, it got beat up this morning. Where it's at? Ain't nothing. I'm waiting. 550. Yeah, it got to change direction. It's been going sideways. I'm waiting for it.
So you would not fight the trend on NVIDIA. You would wait for it to drop below like 257 to even think about shorting it.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah. Let me see NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA would have to break under this low here. 257 for me to go short on NVIDIA. 256. You could wait till 256.75.
Yep. That's actually right around where my line is. Yep.
Yeah. So, and
Yeah,
then
I've got a line at
target would be back to that 255. That's how I would treat NVIDIA.
Yeah, I've got a big line at 256.76 right here. Yep, because there was a lot of like a key trend line today, or price line.
Yeah, LTR.
It's dropping.
What was that?
Price dropping.
Yeah, 396 on the SPY. Yeah, nothing going on in the SPY. The SPY has a trading channel today.
Yeah, it's traded sideways for a long time.
397 to 396. The best trade all day is FRC, really. Slowly but surely to the upside.
You guys rock on that.
Yeah, we knocked that out the box this morning. Tesla is doing good, 95.60.
Think it's going to keep running or no?
No, it may reach its peak of the day right now. I'm gonna take a partial out here on Tesla. Oh no, that's selling it. Almost sell the whole thing on Tesla. Pull back on Tesla. $94.20. Stop out on Tesla. $94.20. So you see, as I take my partial, I move my stop loss up to secure, and that won't be a losing trade.
Yep.
Here come FRC.
Oh, jeez. Coming back. Has FRC been halted today at all?
Yep,
Oh, yes.
but with no gap up though. Just halted to the upside, halted to the downside. Mark, how you doing today?
Doing good, Zach.
Good, good. Rich, you doing good?
We are in the green. We're doing good. It's
Yeah.
low right now, but I'm just waiting.
Yeah, yeah. Layman, how you doing today, buddy?
Yeah, things going well on my side.
Okay, good.
Things going really well on my side. Yeah, but I went out on FRC very early. I had just become afraid that it might actually go down. But I went out very early. But I'm going today.
Good, good, good job, man.
I loved your education today. That was really good thing to do. I
Yeah,
learned it early.
yeah.
You need the
I tried, man. I tried. But that's what you're gonna get when I do set up when we do set up our Zoom meeting. Gonna set up an email list, and anybody that wants to get in that, that's what they're gonna have to do in order to get into those classes.
Actually, a real trader, it's not only entering at the bottom of the channel or at the top of the channel. Sometimes in between, if you really understand how the candle works,
Yeah.
that is pretty good. I mean, your education just now was pretty helpful for me, just to affirm some of my knowledge.
Okay. Yeah. Different trader trade differently. Different scalper scalp differently. You know what I mean? Some get it in the middle. Some get it at the bottom. Some get it at the top. Drive it down and get out. You know, it all depends on what you want to do. 18. Here comes 18 on FRC. Google. I could look at Google. Eric, I could look at Google. Google was a beast today. Off 102.50. Beautiful. Hope you got in early. It's up at the top right now. I just don't like trading at the top of the day. Look at that on the 15 minutes. That's beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles to the upside on Google. Google was strong today. If you had got into Google at that 102.50, golden. There you go, man. FRC, finally, 18. And again, that's not everybody could trade FRC. Some stock, you can't trade it. You know, you gotta be equipped to trade certain stocks. Some stocks are easy to trade, some stocks are not. FRC is one of those stocks that are hard to trade. But if you got your right setup, your right entry, you still could make money on that stock. Boom.
For some reason, Tesla is so hard for me to trade. I can't figure out Tesla.
Yeah.
I want to figure it out.
The next target for Google is over this 108, man. Clear up this chart there. So much in Google. Google is on a run. We're gonna get a bull run and then drop.
You buy Google here?
No, I'm not buying Google. Google is at 105. We need more volume in Google. I was just looking at the daily. The 15 minutes. There you go. 50 cent in FRC. Boom, baya. There we go. FRC. Even with 200 shares of on the partial in FRC, look at it. And FRC still got more room to go.
How far?
Look at the daily.
19.
Got a little gap here. Yeah, 22. Up to 20. The next one is 20. Gotta get through 19, 20 though.
Take some off at 19.
Yeah, I would. I would take some off at 1850 or a partial off at 1850. pay myself first. That's all I do. There we go. 1875. Boom. 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 Nice. There you go. Money. Cha-ching. Cha-ching, ching, 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 ching. Because this is what we do here. This is what we do here, man. This is what we do because this is what we do on this channel.
There we go.
Here, Michael. There you go, my man. DB. It's the patience. Yeah. Yeah. Up, up, up. That's it, man. Good job. Good job on that. Great trade. Great trade.
Yeah, I should have sold right when it tapped 19.
But that was perfect, man. You got what? Almost $1 out of that trade?
I got in it. It didn't execute right away, but I got 61 bucks. I'll take it. Still holding a couple. I'm gonna take that off.
You put your stop loss at your entry so you're even. You don't lose anything.
Yeah. Okay, I was up 50 bucks. I'll take the $50. Yeah. So
So the next break is going to be over 19 if it ever comes back up again, right? 19 is the next one. And 2020 would be your target. That's how I would treat FRC. I forgot Wall. Wall would have been a nice one too. Let's see where Wall is. Man, 34. Woo, look at that. 34 on Wall. What a break. At 36. Look at Wall. Nice, easy. Wall was a nice, slow and steady break at 34. We got rejection. That's it.
it is. 360.
Mhm. The next break for WAL is 36. WBD. Warner Brothers. See what that is. Break over 15 on Warner Brothers. It needs to break over 15. Need volume in the market, man. There's no volume in the market. Warner Brothers over 15. FRC is trying to make that move right now, baby.
has been, under the VWAP for quite some time, since at the beginning of the market. You guys noticed that.
Yeah, take it easy.
Do you think there will be a huge sell-off later on? Because I mean, if it is under VWAP for quite some time, normally.
Yeah, I'm sure. Absolutely.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm looking for FRC on a pullback too. Maybe I take FRC on a short. Let's see where it reached. Nothing but up for FRC this morning.
I might be wrong, but normally if it is below VWAP for quite some time, so normally you'll have another one more flush to roll the way down because there's a huge gap. I think it must fill out that gap.
Yeah, it's having a hard time getting up over 397. We'll have to break through over 397 for more upside. Here go 19 on FRC.
Actually, I'm out on the second pullback straight to VWAP. Then after that, I then have to enter.
You're out already?
Come again?
You're out of it already?
Yeah, I'm already out of it. Remember, there's one time it was touching at the VWAP, exactly VWAP, then I exited. I just don't want to lose my gains.
Yeah. Good. Here comes the SPY. 20 cents to go over 97. Using the VWAP as a push. Good stuff, good stuff. We got a bullish candle right now on this pop right now. Let's go. Longs are working. I definitely want to get some of this ALT. But it's not happening. Sideways. Sideways. Not doing this opportunity today. That's what it's doing. Welcome, welcome, welcome to day number 54 of 251 trading days. 2023. Welcome, guys. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe and like this live, okay? Appreciate that. If you see anything, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and post it in the comment section. Let's see what we could find. Nothing happened. If you could find something, let me know. FRC. Look at it go. Time for it to run, huh? Watching FRC. Look at that break at 18. Target 2020. be patient, ladies and gentlemen. The stock will come to you. Be successful in this market, you gotta have 5 keys. You could have more, but for me, I gotta have consistency, discipline. I gotta have the confidence to get into the trade, and I gotta have the patience to wait. And then you gotta have the passion. If you're not in this with a passion, then those are some of the things that you gotta look for. You gotta be in here with some of those. Some of you may have different ones, but for me, I have the passion for it. I love it. Some people don't love staring at charts, but I love what the stock does on the screen. Talk to me. We got that pullback on FRC. If you see anything, Eric, what you said? It's been an awesome, slow running like snail. Yeah, we're watching paint dry. Absolutely. Sometimes it be like that. Watching paint dry. That's what the market is giving us. That's it. That's it. If you see something you want me to look at, go ahead and post it. Somebody took profit up there at 19, huh? At 19.30, I have that pullback on FRC. Okay. Let's get Tesla down. I'm going to trade a Tesla trade right now. Let's see what Tesla does. Tesla wants to go higher. Tesla do want to go higher. We got 200. Tesla want to go higher. Tesla want to go higher. No, I don't trade options. Only shares. I probably would if I wasn't trading stocks. But that's one of the keys, one of the main keys to bias. Patience is one of the keys. You gotta have that. You gotta have that. If you don't have patience, you're not gonna make it in this market here. And if you don't have a trading plan, you're not gonna make it in this market here, in this space. $208 on an EMPH, beautiful. I'm just moving my stop loss up 206.81. 206.81. Let's put it at 80. That's all I'm doing. Entry right before 202. And now how many points we're sitting on? Almost 6 points. Can't beat that. Hey, you gotta, Tobias, you gotta. So, that's it, Eric. Small base hit over time. Small base hit over time. Let's keep our eye on ALT. Nothing. ALT, nothing. Just nothing going on there. Now, 1520. I'm looking for a trade at 520. 520 on ALT. Stop loss is 5. Target VWAP. Okay. Stop loss 5. Babe, I'm good now. I'm good now. I fix up that some more. Yeah. Let's put a lot more in it so it's check Tesla. Tesla's still good. EMPH is still good. Let's move Tesla stop loss up a little bit more. What's up, Edwin? You back? How was lunch, man? 94.70. The market, there go the SPY over 397. There you go, SPY breaking out now. Got some volume coming in the market. The SPY is going. EMPH looking good. Still riding that partial. FRC still looking good. I've got 19. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Good to go. There's some breakout here on FRC, guys. Saw that, Rich?
Yeah, I've been watching it. I didn't get in it this time though.
Then are you still holding? Just curious.
On what?
On FRC.
Yeah, I'm holding a partial. Only 200 shares though.
Okay.
Let's look at Microsoft. 19 on FRC. Microsoft got to break through this 272. Microsoft do 272. Already did that once already today. Look for a second time. Microsoft. Nothing happening, nothing happening. Market make a run and halted for a minute.
I think if SPY breaks below DYOR, then we might see a downtrend because some of my stocks under my watch list are actually having selling. I mean, have huge selling. Not huge. I mean, there is a volume is going down.
Yeah, you gotta break on the 96 on the SPY.
I
96.
hope Houston is okay after yesterday's loss.
I mean, today would be a great idea for FRC if he was here.
Recovery.
Yeah, could have recovered all that today. And again, it's just having the discipline to wait and cut your losses and don't watch it. Then again, you gotta have your stop loss in. SPY's trading a 70-cent range right now. $20.20 is the next target for FRC. SPY wants to go higher, man. Get ready for the power hour. Watching paint dry. Have lunch. Fix yourself a drink if you have to. You got a copyright yesterday. You got a copyright block on yesterday's post. Blocked in Russia. My video was blocked in Russia.
Video. Oh man, you didn't get to the rest of it.
Nothing. We're watching paint dry today, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing. Have lunch. Come back. Take a break.
It's not wrong.
Hmm? Yasin?
Yeah.
No, not today.
Quick question, Steve. How long are you gonna hold your SPY shot?
Until 350.
Okay. So you are expecting the SPY to go to 350.
Yeah. And the next target is 250.
Impossible 250. I mean, why are you still thinking the market is gonna crash, man? I think it's there would be retracement, but 250 considered a crash, right?
Yep. We ain't seen nothing yet, man. The bank is just one of them. They don't want to see it crash. That's the thing. They don't want to see it crash. But are we going to get a hard landing or a soft landing? You choose.
Right.
Hmm?
No, I mean, I'm surprised to see Meta, NVDA, Intel, all of them are, I mean, within, like, above the expectation.
Mm-hmm.
But if you look at the other stocks, like those mid-cap, or those stocks that flushed all the way down, still are not recovering. But only these 5 stocks are recovering, and these 5 stocks are actually pushing the SPY up. You see, today the SPY is not moving up because of these stocks are not moving up as well.
Mm-hmm.
They're going sideways. It's not exactly sideways. They were flushing this now, but then they move up back again.
I'm going to get out of Tesla right here. And I'm going to look for a breakdown in Tesla. Rich, you still in Tesla? Edwin, what you looking at right now, Edwin? Getting out of Tesla right here.
I'm in Tesla short.
Already? What from the top one? 96?
Yeah, 190.
Beautiful. I think it's gonna be 195. I get in short at 195. Stop loss 196. Target V1 in Tesla. You go FRC on the retrace back down now. FRC. All right. Coming down. 200 shares. All right, FRC, done with that. I'm not shorting that stock. I'd rather short test. EMPH. to 680. I'll be out of that. And that's how it is. And that was it. Stock of the day. Watch Tesla, Edwin.
Yeah, watch.
680. That's my stop loss on. I'll be out the rest of the partial on EMPH. Snap back at 11:30. Now the next break for EMPH is over at 208. $195 is my short on Tesla. And I'm gonna finish up with EMPH right here. And that's it. I'm done with EMPH. That's it. Flat. Here you go, MD. 261, right?
Yes, sir.
You say less, man. As you could see, that is the way it is. 258 to 260.
That's it.
That's it for now.
For now.
For now.
Same thing. Check out JP Morgan as well.
130. Yeah.
So it's building.
Yeah, man.
The channel.
Yes, sir.
Think we might have some movement with J Powell tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll see. Like if you're gonna trade tomorrow, I would trade before the market, before he talks, and then get out before he talks. That's how I would do tomorrow. Ain't nothing. 131.50. Now it's breaking on the 130 now. There you go, JP Morgan. JP Morgan dropped 10 points between last week and this week. That's 10 points.
Came back today for a little bit.
Yeah.
Actually came up $3.
Yeah, almost 132. My next short is Tesla short.
195, you said?
Yeah, I'm gonna go short 195 with my stop loss 196. And that's gonna be a full share size for me.
Amazon popped a little bit.
Yeah, for a little.
$2.
It went over that 198.80, that 98.80, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was a good call on that one today too. Look at that, at 98.50. Woof! Beast! 100. Wow.
It got above
Mm-hmm.
You get out of FRC?
Huh?
Did you get out of FRC?
Yeah, got out of FRC. I'm done with that train. That was beautiful today. Can't ask for anything more like that, man. I wish I would have stayed at 1250 yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
Crypto's popping a little bit. Nice. Do you do crypto or no?
No, I only have crypto long term. Nice pop on Tesla. Come on.
What do you trade on crypto?
I trade Shiba, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dodge, XRP.
XRP monster moves today.
Yeah,
I've been trading Solana for the last couple weeks.
yeah. I was in Solana early. I got out of that.
There's only a penny spread on it.
Yeah.
XRP up 22% today.
Let's get the bid at 96. Let's go. 95, I mean. There we go, 95. Let's go. Let's get underneath there. Base it, man. Base it. Base it. Two minutes to go to see what this candle finish at on Tesla. I'm pretty much done for the day. My last trade is this Tesla trade. See anything, go ahead and post it. Zen for long calls made it out of the huts. Yep, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it. If it does come back up, that stock may go to 0. I'm waiting for it. But if it doesn't, it's okay. Not today. I'll see what it does by the end of the day today. Yeah, still more downside. Can't get over that 520. Another breakdown on the $5. I'll look for that. The low is 479, so not doing anything. The market got to change direction for Tesla to break down now. Watch your Tesla, Edwin.
Amazon grounder.
Beautiful. Whoever was still holding Amazon, great trade, guys.
Got it.
There you go. Beautiful. Tesla make a rip. Boom. Ah. Tesla is trying. Going back up. Still got 3 minutes left on that 5-minute candle. It's 2:30 in the market. 2 o'clock and the market hasn't really done nothing all day. Market haven't done nothing. Let me look at something here on these charts here. Do we got any IPOs today? Let's see. Let me check on some IPOs. IPO. Which one we want? We got 2 today. OMH. OMH on IPO. I forgot to look at OMH. We did IPO today. OMH. Oh yeah, OMH open up today. Wow. Get ready to fall. Open up at what? 380, went all the way up to 420. That was a dud. Let's keep that on the watch list. Nothing on that IPO today. The next one is MGRX. 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 Not much. MGRX. Nothing in that stock either. Open up. What's the low is 296 and the high is 437. Watch mRNA. Tesla came back up 196. All right. I gotta honor that. Tesla. Yeah. Yeah. No, Tesla. All right. That was it on Tesla. Boom. Came back up. Got that. Look at that big volume bar on that Tesla trade right there. That one hurt us. Now it has to get over the top. Maybe 650 on the SPY. Got 3 minutes to finish this 5-minute candle here on Tesla.
You shorted it, right?
Yeah, my
195.
stop loss is 196. After this 5-minute candle, got 2 minutes. I'll be out of Tesla. If it continue higher. Did you got out, Edwin?
Yeah, check me out.
Yeah.
What's the counter set on your candle? I don't see it on your chart.
No, it's not on this chart.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
Not much in the market. Top gainers. uh, 1 minute. And that will be it for Tesla. Hold on, let me check this other stock here. It's up 297%. USC. USC. USX, I mean, sorry. Nothing on this stock here. Flat. Flat, flat, flat. Wow, went up to $9. Jeez. Look at that candle. At 9:15 this morning. And just went flat. And wants to go higher. Tesla, that's it on Tesla. Almost 300%. 30 seconds to go on this candle on Tesla. And let's see. That should take us over 196 or see where it plays itself. 20 seconds. Five seconds, 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. There you go, Tesla. Okay. Yep. This candle 5 minutes. Let's see what it does. Let's have the strength to go higher. Let's see if it has the strength to go higher. Gotta watch this. Oh crap. There it comes. Building, building, building. Indecisive. The bids are at 186.85. Let's see who win at this 196 here. They fighting, Edwin. They fighting up here.
Yeah, it's another crack up.
Yeah, that's the next break. Yeah. That's it. It's right there. It's right there. 3 minutes to go. We got one spike through 196 already. Let's see. Those 5 minutes candles are not finishing above, so. $196, there you go. 35. There you go. 35. 35. 35. That's it. Yep. Out. See, it's not finishing over it yet. Yeah. Okay. 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 If it goes higher, then it's a better entry to short it higher.
Yeah, it's up the first stop loss at 1x.
Mm-hmm. You move your stop loss a little bit higher.
Yeah, I mean, I got back 10 at 1x6, so that's all right.
Yeah.
Stop loss at 1x6.
It's just that 5 minute candle not finishing up there. It's right there. So
Yes.
Some selling pressure up there. 70 degrees outside and cloudy. CS's volume is 176 million and not really doing nothing. Nothing. 163 million on FRC. Nothing. AMD, 65 million. NVDA, 37 million, 38 million. Meta, 22. Microsoft, 20. Look, that's 15 minutes so far, Edwin, on Tesla. It's right here, man. The resistance is right there.
There you go.
The resistance is right there.
Just wondering, you guys normally take a look on the economy outlook. Today there is actually news on existing home sales. You guys do anything? A look on it?
Nah, what's going on with that sector? Really?
I just wondering. I mean, since the mortgage is paid off, well, it seems. I mean, previously it was in negative, now it's in positive, right? So, do you think that the SPY will still go down? I'm just curious. I'm just trying to foresee certain things in SPY because it means that people are paying off their mortgages, right? So things are going well. So I just wonder why do you actually shop? I don't know. Maybe you might actually have a say on it.
I haven't looked in that sector. I haven't.
Right.
I haven't.
I mean, a lot of people, because of the interest rates are high, they're not able to afford houses are high, the interest rates are high, they're having trouble. Basically, you're seeing a lot of lenders, their clients, their loans busting because they can't make the payments, can't bring the down payments. And these lenders are putting more back points
Yeah, more down payment. Yeah.
But this one is good, right? I mean, it's a positive. I mean, it's not showing negative. The news for today.
Yeah, and then the houses are staying on the market longer. There's no more, 20 bids, 30, 40 bids on the house anymore. No more asking price.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, why would I buy a house overpriced? Now, what I see, they building wood frame houses now. Wood frame houses. No more stucco. That's it on Tesla.
No more concrete. You're talking about Florida.
Yeah.
Frame house. Yeah.
That's it on Tesla.
That's it, yeah.
That's it. Maybe the power hour will get that failing on Tesla. I'll hammer it at that point. But for now, no. That's it. I'll stay flat. That was a good break over the highs there. It tried though. It tried as much. Out of 20 minutes, 10 of them were 15 of them was right there. It tried.
Trying all day.
Yeah.
Tesla had some good news on it.
I still would take it at 95 short though.
Yep.
That's gonna be my short on Tesla.
They were all over it this morning on CNBC.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, how was your day today?
Great. Today was great, man. FRC was off the chain.
Bought the FRC at 14 something,
Yeah.
and I was just selling it off. 1,500 shares. With 5K.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're right.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's
So
it.
the bid is good, yeah.
That's
It's still low, but FRC is still low.
yeah. It's low. We wanted to get to 20, but 2020, but
My target was 20, it didn't go. We went to 1988 and then started jumping, so
yeah.
I started getting rid of it.
Yeah, that was a great move on that one.
Yeah, I already bought again more shares. My strategy works, Steve.
Absolutely.
Buying slowly, buying slowly, and just add it on. I'm just waiting for it to flush down. Just want to flush down.
Yeah, I never question your strategy. You know, it works for you.
No. It's not your strategy. It's not you questioning my strategy. Is that with this platform that I bought, it's better this way.
Okay.
Yeah. But then again, where you shine is you know exactly where to pick the stock, and that's what we lack. So I'm better with everything in DCA.
Gotcha.
But did you go in for 4,000 shares again?
Oh yeah. I got it up off the bottom. Let's
Nice.
see where my entry is, and then I got out on the pullback. Force. No, I'm done with the trade. I'm done for the day. Yeah.
Yeah. So let's give it to 90 minutes all the way down to 13 or 12 or something like that.
Yeah.
There's some more. There's some more. There's dumping now. There's a dumping. War was great.
Yeah, Wall was good too. The trade that did it for me today was the KRTX trade this morning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just picked up also.
Yeah, my next break for it's done.
What? FRC?
No. The KRTX done. It tried and got rejected at 171.50.
Which one is that?
KRTX.
ARTS. KRT.
X.
Kingdoms.
Yeah.
KR. Tango.
Tango Xavier. Xavier.
Xavier. What are the buildings? Oh, doctor.
Yeah.
You do doctor?
No, I short it this morning.
Nice.
That was a great trade for me. It wasn't in my stock picks, but I got an alert for it and I took it.
Okay. FRC is done for the day.
Yeah, Tesla is still running though.
Oh, what a beast.
Mm-hmm.
I can put everything on Tesla. I mean, not everything on Tesla. Mine. I'm in the money with Tesla.
Well, I gotta look at ASX on IPO.
Look at that FRC down back.
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna rise more than this.
Nothing. I don't see no movement here. I just don't like. It's nothing. No volume here on ASX.
ASX.
Yeah. No.
No.
OMH. Yeah, ain't not much in that today. I mean, it spiked over my 420, 417, and that was it.
Almost good also.
Yeah. Keep an eye on this stock though. This IPO, this OMH. Over the top here, 420. Keep an eye on it.
Where do we want to go?
Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. It's just 3%, but keep an eye on it though. Over 420, 422 is the high.
422 is the high.
Yeah. I'm gonna end this YouTube here. Thank you guys. I appreciate it on YouTube. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let you know when I go live. Okay? We'll be back at this another day. Thank you guys so much. Tobias, Eric, Mark, Rich, Yasin, Andrew, Edwin, Little Pencil, name. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. And we're back at this tomorrow. Awesome trading today, guys. Good job. Way to do it. We'll be back at it. But keep an eye on this OMH over this 420. Okay, we'll do. We'll do.